I need to record like the whole entire fucking time.
Oh my god, are they steel toe?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, that's sexy.
Thank you.
Can I shoot it?
I only have 50 shots and we're 20 minutes. I would. Next round though. I will let you shoot it.
Thank you.
I don't know, you gotta find them. Nobody knows.
Wait, are we all starting here? Wait, this isn't everybody.
How about we do it for him?
Hey guys, game will start
Touch
on
your
the air.
Oh shit, no.
What happened?
Not good things.
Especially for his friends that happened.
Dude, this, if you shot this, it'd probably shatter.
Good break.
Dude,
No,
like, feel it.
You want to test?
No, don't test. Don't
Oh,
test.
it's a sidearm.
Wait, let me see.
It's so fucking light.
If you can find a way
Careful
to
because the BBs do come out of the top.
Just be like, shake, shake.
And I'm slipping.
It's a sidearm. Oh!
Shit.
Can I shoot it?
You gotta pump it back.
See, let him shoot. No, I'm playing.
It hurts like a motherfucker.
What would happen if we just,
I could've.
just like,
Hey Griffin, I can turn all the way this up to max and then do that.
Here, let me do it.
I don't want kids. Oh, that's gonna be so loud if you shoot me on the top.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's so loud. My ears are ringing.
Oh my
God,
ear.
that's so loud. You do not know how loud that is. Here. No. Here.
Hang on.
Make sure you take your mag out.
So loud.
What happened?
That may have left a little spot.
Yeah, yours has the same thing.
Nice. It fucking cracks there and kills me. Oh, you're injured.
Huh?
You're injured.
Yeah.
What did you do?
A skateboard accident.
You skate?
It's all purple right down here. They thought I fractured it, so they put me in a fucking splint that's like a cast. And then I took the cast off to play today.
You're smart.
I know.
I'm just gonna rob you.
No.
No. Oh, that's game. Hold up. Fuck.
Don't start running.
No, get up there, guys.
Okay, go. I have to remember not to pull the trigger.
Let's see where.
Hey, I'm gonna need guys with like actual guns next to me though. That's not doing shit. Hey, coming in with you. Fuck! I didn't know it was loaded.
Hey,
Jackson, you get hit? Holy fuck.
Who? Yeah, start pushing the guys that way. You can't push up. Are you counting me?
Hey, there's people up front. There's hella people up there. Hi. I got this in.
Yeah, pick me, dude.
Ooh, I almost fell.
Get my scope. Not really. Hey, one more. There's like 8 people down there.
Not on me. Hey, anybody got a grenade?
Hey. You can defend this point, bro. You can defend this point.
Dude, this was a bad idea to bring
I
back.
like he's just like strolling down there.
Can I shoot him in the ass? I really want to. Should I? Right
He's
in
the
the
one with the.
right in the. I shouldn't do that.
Yeah, he's the one with the brick. Or some like to call it the lawnmower.
I call that shit my ex. Fucking beats me down.
He's an on.
Did I hear a grenade? Oh shit, no.
What?
Oh!
That's why!
Holy crap.
I knew I heard a grenade! Ah, fuck! The barricade! Out of everything! Out of everything, you
Nothing
broke the
happened.
fucking barricade!
Did you bend the stick?
Dude, he fucking bent and broke the sticks.
Y'all saw nothing.
Hey, hey, watch out behind you! Don't fucking listen to me, okay. Hey, behind you. No, other way. Alright, don't listen to me. Alright, you guys got this covered, I'm going to a different one. Shotgun man, out! I'm a friendly. Do not shoot. Fuck. Hey, hey! We got people coming up mid. Hey, people coming up right there. I don't got a gun. Right up there. Come on. Fuck. Yeah. Wait. I don't think. Wait, does friendly fire count in this field?
Yeah, those are. That guy on our team? Yeah, that guy's on our team.
Those guys are on our team, bud.
I'm sorry. Good thing I didn't hit them. You did hit them. Did? I think so. I mean, you hit me. Oh, okay.
Hey, we got hella guys. Dude, look. Fuck, I'm on safety. Hey, pushing. Hey, anybody got a grenade? Shoot him! Well, hey, fuck the mosquitoes, just shoot.
Defend? I got you, man. I'm best defender. They're pushing up left side. Somewhat. Pushing up, pushing up. One left side! I'm close.
Hey, let that man come out.
Watch out, there's one close. I can try and bait him out.
Hey, I hit you. Call your hit.
You want me to try and bait him out?
Throw,
Run at him.
throw the fucking cheese box. Bet
Throw the
you
fucking Cheez-Its.
don't do that. I need snacks.
Don't.
No,
Another ball.
you'll get murked.
Go get him.
You'll get murked.
Oh, hey.
Bro, what the fuck is with these mosquitoes?
They're everywhere. Shit, left side.
Damn, bitch, get the fuck away from me.
Oh, they're all over me.
Bitch, I wanna have to come back. This bitch full of mosquitoes.
Yeah. I should have brought my pistol.
I need another pistol.
Shoot, they're pushing, pushing. He's dead. Nice job. Oh, they shot himself? It wasn't me, it was them. Another one up left. Hey, he's gotta run up. He's gotta run up.
What the fuck?
Yo, keep your guns up. He's running.
Hey, he's running in. Keep it. Ah, shit, hit. Fuck, friendly fire. God damn, but watch who he's shooting. Hey, friendly coming in, friendly coming in.
Dead?
Dude, fucking friendly fire. 8 guys. Ah, fuck.
I got hit.
Fuck, that's the same exact way. I wouldn't go that way. Alright, guess we're going that way.
Any better. We need water.
Hey, he might be friendly. Hold up. Oh, he's friendly. I need to, like, fucking put it somewhere. Vroom, vroom, get out of mom's car. I can't do much.
It's got a good shot.
Sniper? All the way behind like those barrels.
Oh yeah, all the way back there.
Got one. Hey, watch out for friendly fire. Did you get hit? Fuck. Damn, you can't talk. Hey, Lance! Fuck. Hey, careful, we got guys on left and right. Fuck.
What do we got up here, fellas?
We got 2 in front, 3 on the sides.
Behind the net? On the other side of the net?
I can't do much. I got a shotgun.
Hey, Griff! Hey, Griff! Yeah. Is there a guy hiding behind the net? On the other side of the net? Right side!
Hey, cheese it. Watch real quick. I'm reloading.
Okay, you get up there, there's one on the right side you can probably shoot.
I only got a pistol.